Imagine writing a full blog in under 5 minutes. AI is completely changing blogging, and most people are still doing it the hard way. Step 1. Idea generation. Prompt: give me 10 blog ideas about passive income for beginners. Step 2. Blog creation. Prompt: write an SEO-optimized blog post with headings and keywords. Step 3. Monetization. Ads, affiliate links, digital products. Money check. People are making thousands per month with AI blogs. If you're serious about making money online, this is one of the easiest ways to start. Thank you for watching.